Hello and welcome to the Dukascopy studio for the economic calendar for Monday, June the 8th. I'm Rochelle Akufa with a breakdown of news which could impact the forex markets. It's a market holiday in Australia as they celebrate Queen Elizabeth's birthday. Swiss unemployment rate for May opens this edition at 5:45 a.m. In April, the rate crept up by 0.1% compared to the previous month, as opposed to the same point a year ago. It now sits almost a full percent higher. The job market has slackened considerably since mid-2008, and this is unlikely to change whilst domestic and global appetite for Swiss goods remains weak. German factory orders for April are out at 10. There was a surprise rise in the orders in March following 7 consecutive declines. This was mostly on the back of growing foreign orders. Canadian housing starts for May will be available at 12:15 GMT. No bottom forming yet for the housing market as the starts plunged almost 20% in April to the level of the year 1996. This is followed by 2 speeches. Fed Governor Tarullo is going to speak on financial regulation in the wake of the crisis in Washington at 4:30. European Central Bank Board member Stark will give a lecture on monetary policy in Austria at 5:35. 2 releases for May are published regarding the British economy just a minute past 11. The RICS housing survey did edge up higher in April, up from the -72.1 in March. This survey leads ahead of other house price indexes by approximately 8 months, so we can expect the housing market to recover closer to the end of the year. The annual BRC retail sales posted a sharp rise in April, up from the 0.6% in March. According to the British Retail Consortium, the fact that Easter was in April this year, as opposed to March in 2008, along with the good weather, could be the 2 main drivers behind the sharp increase in sales. Australian NAB business confidence for May will be out at 1:30 in the morning. Confidence was down by 1 point in April, while the actual business conditions improved significantly, growing 7 points to -10. And closing our calendar is a high importance announcement, the preliminary data for the Japanese leading indicator for April. Just like the industrial production, leading index improved in March, climbing 2.8% in monthly terms. Given the streak of 5 declines prior to that, it's still at a relatively low level. This rounds up our economic calendar for Monday, June the 8th. Click back for the next issue covering Tuesday. Goodbye.